In the pharmaceutical industry, multi-carton packaging equipment plays a pivotal role by automating the packing of multiple cartons into larger containers or bundles. Our vision system solution meets critical industry demands such as track and trace, brand loyalty campaigns, and regulatory compliance with CE standard and 21 CFR Part 11 protocols. Our equipment handles various pharmaceutical packaging formats efficiently and securely. Key benefits include automation and efficiency, automates grouping and packing, increasing speed and reducing errors compared to manual methods. Versatility handles a wide range of products and packaging formats, maintaining product integrity and safety. Integration and compatibility seamlessly integrates with existing packaging lines for continuous operation. Precision and quality control uses advanced sensors and vision systems to ensure accurate placement and quality control, complying with regulatory standards. Safety and compliance, designed to meet stringent hygiene, cleanliness, and traceability standards. Customization and flexibility, customizable with serialization and batch changeover options to meet specific needs. Our multi-carton vision packaging equipment enhances efficiency, improves safety, and reduces costs for pharmaceutical manufacturers. SolutionsMax has developed state-of-the-art multi-carton liner equipment using machine learning and AI. This equipment integrates seamlessly with pharmaceutical packaging lines, optimizing operations and enhancing product integrity during transit and storage. PharmaMax offers flexible, scalable solutions that meet current requirements and allow for future expansion. Our modular approach ensures economic viability and easy integration into existing production lines. Discover how SolutionsMax and PharmaMax can transform your pharmaceutical packaging processes. Contact us today to learn more. Visit pharmamax.org for more information or contact us at support@solutionsmax.com for a live demonstration of the equipment.